How's it going, folks? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech, but otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. And today, I want to show you how you can earn some free crypto off the Crypto.com app. Here you can see all the millions of dollars that I've been making. We're in a bit of a dip. I put in 400, and it just didn't make it up. Feeling bullish about crypto. Anyways, feeling bullish about Crypto.com, I should say. Anyways, come on down to missions if you want to earn some free crypto. And take a look at what we got in here. Now you can see I got 24 diamonds, and if you click here, go to the store, make another diamond, go to the store. Now I have 25. I can redeem a mystery box. Every day you can get like one or two. Pay 25 diamonds, and I got my loot box. Let's see what I got in it. Yeah, oh, I got 0.0 or 0.8 CRO. I'm pretty sure that's worth like $1. But still, hey, it's better than nothing. Yeah, so with the exchange, it looks like that's about $1.50. You're not going to get rich off this, but it is a really fun way that you can earn crypto without doing a whole lot. You can also earn more of these coins by completing missions where you learn things, by selling and by buying crypto, so that's fun. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. Like and subscribe if this has helped you out, or if you know any other way to make a little bit of free crypto, that's always fun. Have a good one, folks, and take care of each other, will you?